Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have JoJo stand, Wonder of You from JoJoLion or JoJoLion, however you pronounce it, I'm not quite sure. So it's that stand with the bowler hat and the cane and stuff like that. Kind of comes through walls and stuff. I've seen certain things. So Patreon request for this one from Luis Pichardo. I hope I'm saying your name right. Probably not. Luis Pichardo. So, landscape orientation page. Use a pencil. Hit pause if we go too fast. So, pretty straightforward kind of start to this one anyway. So, we just draw two sort of straight lines. So, you could use a ruler if you wanted, but we'll just go for it, I think. So coming down like so. Like this kind of thing. Right? And then we leave a bit of a gap and we come over and do the same thing on the other side. Like so. Okay, so they kind of come in slightly at the bottom, I think, and then they curve around like this, like that. And don't worry if one is like longer than the other. That's the way it is in the picture, so it's not the end of the world. And then we go back up the other side, so like that. And then he's got, so this is like the sides of his head, right? The armor kind of on the sides of his head. And he's got a hat on top, right? A bowler hat. So it curves across the top of these. Like so. It kind of looks like a bridge. And then this curves around the back of the hat. Like so. Now it looks kind of like a table. And then this is going to curve up around. Like so. Like you're putting like a big Christmas pudding on top of a table. I don't know if you have Christmas puddings in every part of the world, but we have them here. And then the other side of the hat curves around. Back up the other side, around the back, like that. And then he has like a circle on the top, curves around, like so. And then another one, just there. And then he's like got a white rim just coming across the front of the hat here. Just there. And then the bottom of that comes across the front, up into there. You know, and in JoJo, you know, you might have some hatching every now and then. It's from the manga, so there is a lot of hatching. I won't do it all because it might be a bit much, but there are some like hatching lines and stuff like that. Okay, so inside, in between these two, right, he has two eyes that are kind of like suns, you know, like the kind of sun you draw when you're a kid. So you got like a circle starting from his bowler hat. You can't see the full circle. Top of it's just cut off. And then we have spikes coming around. You know, like when you draw a cartoon kind of sun going around his eye. That kind of thing. You know, and you might see some lines coming in just on the side there. And then circle here, coming around up into his hat, and then the sun spikes. So these are his eyes. Okay, very strange sort of eyes, but kind of cool anyway. And then we've two more lines coming down. One coming down there, another one down there. Back in, kind of smaller ones, these. Okay, so then he has lines coming across, horizontal. So we go curving, horizontal line like that. Curving, horizontal line like so. And then we have kind of a double whammy set coming across here. So we leave a small sort of gap, and then we go across again, and across again. Okay, and then another set underneath his eyes, like that. So I'll color in the ones that are black, so it's like black all in here. Like so. And you could add some hatching sort of lines on his face here if you want. So then he seems to have a scarf wrapped around his neck and some lines coming around that, like his neck down here as well. So what we do first, we'll do the scarf first, right? So coming in from behind his head, just here, right? So comes out from here, kind of bumps up, you know, for bends and weaves and stuff, like so. Comes down again for the second part, and then comes down like so, down around to there, and then this other part comes down to here as well. There could be some extra fold lines and stuff going in, maybe some hatching just there. And then the inside of this, so it comes sort of down around here, across close to the front of his chin, like that. And then we have a piece of scarf that flows down the front, so it flows down this way, like that. And it kind of has some waves and bumps and stuff coming up and around, like that, along the bottom. And then we bring it back in to there. Kind of looks like a duck's foot. And then it's amazing what you see when you draw. And then it comes back into there. And then we have some fold lines just on each section, just giving it sort of look of fabric, like so. And then the other side of that just there. And then we have a smaller version just coming down here, like so, and some fold lines going up into there, like that. Some lines coming down here. You might have a shadow or two. Just a thicker line just here. Like so, and then the rest of that scarf coming in the other side, up around, similar to this, bit of a bump here, and then we go in around the back of his neck to there, and then this other side will go up and then around the back into there. And we've got some lines on it. Fold lines and stuff. Yeah, you could do some hatching if you wanted. The hatching part isn't essential, it's in the manga, so there's a lot of hatching and stuff like that. So then in here we have some more lines for the scarf, so, and around his neck. So we've a line curving like so, another one curving this way, and then like another line coming this way down into there. And then I think there's like a shadow in here. Some hatching on it. Like so, black shadow in here. And maybe in here too. That kind of thing. We do something similar over the other side. So curves down like this. Back in. Back down. Back in. And dark shadow. So dark shadow here. And then we have some more lines coming across underneath his chin, if you could call it a chin. So comes across like so. And this is dark black, this one. And then we have some white lines. This white, and let me see, white, and then a black one just in here, and then like another one just there, and with some more shadows. So black, white, black. So this is black. Okay. Maybe some hatching underneath here. Okay, so his ears. So we have like box-like sort of ears with shadows on the bottom here. Same on this side. Like that, and then these spikes sticking off the side, like a big one in the middle, and then two smaller ones coming down. Another one here. Then coming off this side as well. So big one, smaller one there. Okay, shoulders down like that, and it's like he's got this suit on, but it's like all ripped and torn. It's all scratched and torn. Coming down like so, bumps out a little bit for his arm down there, and then it kind of spikes down towards his body. You could have some extra lines like that, and the other shoulder then down like so, rips and tears on the actual shoulder area. Comes down, bumps a little bit like this, and then it goes down off the page, and we got a fold line or two, and this one comes down to there, and that, maybe like a fold line there. So then on the scarf he's got, it's funny, when you recognize JoJo character designs and all their features and stuff, Gold Experience Requiem has these marks all over his face. So it's just these, well, and his body. It's just these kind of ovals, like a pattern like that, and you just do it all over. Okay, so I think that's everything. How to draw Wonder of You from JoJoLion. I'm not up to date with it yet, but Araki's still knocking it out of the park anyway. Hope it was helpful, Luis. Thanks for the request and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.